If you want to die, come to the shop. If you're healthy, you will get sick here. I guarantee you. Is your shoulder strong?
No.
Let's try.
No, wait.
So what are you doing now?
We changing the tie rod.
So we're changing the tie rod ends, putting on a new Rack N Pinion. So yeah, we have this car had a Rack N Pinion problem. We have a new rack already installed in the car right now. So Javier's taking the tie rod ends out. We're gonna transfer the tie rod ends to the new Rack N Pinion, and we should be good to go. After that, we need to program it, make sure it's good, and that's it. So we're trying to wrap this thing up today. If Javier moves faster.
Alright guys, here's actually another Tesla Model X Plaid. It's not the same Model X Plaid that we showed you on another episode. There's actually another one. As you can see, it has white interior. This car actually was clear bra'd somewhere else. Pretty nice clear bra. However, the customer wanted to tint his windshield and they rejected that job. They simply couldn't get it done. And these windshields are very tough to do. We get this request a lot for this Model X because the windshield is really, really large. As you can see, it goes until almost the middle of the car. So our tinter right here is doing an excellent job doing that. He's already done quite a few Model X's. He did that other Plaid, and now he's doing this Plaid. So yeah, if you have a Tesla Model X, honestly, one of the best things you could do on this car is tint that front windshield. So we're gonna get it done right now, significantly improve the fishbowl appearance of this Model X, and you know, protect them from the UV rays of the sun as well. Alright guys, right here you see a naked Urus that is gonna be also wide body. This car was in a little bit of a fender bender, so we fixed that part of it, but it's also was scheduled to get the wide body kit. The RDB wheels are on there, which are obviously wider than the body because they are for the wide body. Right now we're gonna send it to our, very nice. Right now we're actually towing it to our wrap facility, which is about a mile down. This car we don't want to lose time on. Doesn't have the lights on there and stuff, so we're just gonna tow it, do it the safe way. But yeah, we're gonna tow it, we're gonna get it wrapped up. It's gonna be wrapped in matte dark gray. It's gonna have the full wide body kit. Belongs to a very, very famous tattoo artist, probably the biggest in the United States right now. His name is Ganga Tattoo, and we're very, very excited to get it done. It even has IP exhaust on there. The tips are not on there, but yeah. Naked Urus, getting ready for a wrap and wide body right now.
Okay guys, so I changed my lip. It was hard. I was back and forth. How's it gonna look? Is it gonna look bad? Is it gonna look nice? So I did it. Now I have a shiny black lips. So I don't know, tell me what you guys think. I think it looks the same for me. It looks much more better. I damaged it, so look what I did to it with that. We're gonna give away this lip, so let's see who's that lucky person. But just tell me what you guys think about the black shiny lip. I think it looks nice. Let me see. Sarkis is the little brother no one likes, but deep down everyone loves him. No, that's not the best one.
Most liked.
So that's the most liked?
Yeah, that's
okay, so he's the one. His name is Luz Kwan. Okay, he's the guy. Can you double check if he's like local or not? Because we mentioned it's have to be local so he can come pick it up.
We'll pick somebody else.
If he is, he can just come pick it up.
Alright guys, we are standing next to my car and something very special. You see we have these wheels right in front of my car right now. These are actually a new design. You guys have seen circle wheels here and there before, obviously. It's not something we invented or innovated or whatever, but we wanted to do something a little bit different, make the circles really circle, kind of like almost like a teardrop slash circle, but full circles, and then also 6 of them. Also, this is a 24-inch and it's a 2-piece wheel. So really, really drastic. It is made for a wide body Urus. Currently, we can make it from anything, but that's a 24 by 13 in a 2-piece wheel in the back. It's super concave, and like I said, the design is very retro, but also very crazy looking. It might be a little too crazy for some people, but I think why not? A wide body Urus is crazy anyways. We're jumping the gun here. We're very excited to show you guys. That's why we have it in front of my car, but it is for a special wide body project build that we are doing in the next month or so. Car is arriving. It's a brand new Urus, brand new color from factory. Actually, I've never seen a Urus in that color. The interior is also sweet, so it's a crazy color combination. And with these wheels, I think it's gonna look insane. Also, we'll stance it up, as you guys already know. We slam our Uruses the right way, and this wheel is gonna look crazy. They look gigantic because they're 2-piece also. The spoke literally maxes out until literally the outer edge of the face of the wheel. And we have these little grooves there, a little RDB logo in there too. Obviously, we don't like to do crazy branding on our wheels, but that little one is very subtle, so it looks really nice. Except OEM Lamborghini cap, which is also the final detail that I think always looks the best when you put the OEM cap back on and not, you know, a giant logo in the middle of your brand. So really sick. Super excited to show you guys these wheels on the proper car in maybe 2-3 weeks. We'll see. But yeah, let us know your thoughts on these. They're available to order for anything. You have a special project. We could also do these in 3-piece, 1-piece, but 2-piece is something we're going to be emphasizing the next couple months. We're also doing our RDB signature wheel in 2-piece. We've never done that before. We're going to be doing that on a wide body Cullinan. So stay tuned for that. We're at our wrap facility right now and wrapping a bunch of cars, as you can see. Here is that new Range Rover we showed you guys. It was white. A lot of people are asking why you guys are wrapping this car black when you could have just bought it black. Unfortunately, these cars are limited to find, so customer had no choice to get the white one, and we're wrapping it. This is not your typical wrap. This is actually a clear bra. This is from Hexis Body Fence material. It is actually a gloss black clear bra, and super impressed by it because it looks like a paint job and it's protective film turning white to gloss black. You guys saw us do that Shelby GT500. That was the Inoza Tech gloss black, which also looks good, but I think this is a little bit step above because it is a clear bra and it is honestly paint-like. As you can see, we're wrapping it. We already did the quarter panel, which was one of the toughest parts on the new Range Rover because it's 1-piece glass with the seal, but it also has the pop-out door handle, which was kind of a pain in the ass, so we're doing all that. And you can see that front door still not wrapped, so it's still white. Hopefully on the next episode, you'll see this all completed. I think in black, this car looks a lot better because of the taillights and the whole trimming in around the back. This is gonna look like a one color now, so super excited to show you guys that. We have a few other things going on here. The satin chrome ZL1 needed some touch-ups. We have a Cullinan over there that we are doing some secret stuff on. That's gonna have the first body kit from a company that we will show you guys probably in about 2-3 weeks. And for some odd reason, we have a lot of crazy classic cars here. So this is kind of like a little secret storage / wrap shop. So stay tuned. Guys, you might hear some banging and stuff going on because Moses is upstairs. He's in search of alcohol because we are about to begin our podcast, and Moses wants alcohol today, as he usually does. So he's looking for alcohol like a madman. But yeah, kind of cool. Actually, we've never done this. We're in the podcast setup and we're filming, but we have this beautiful Ferrari Roma right here. This car actually had a lot of rock chip damage, so we ended up painting a bunch of stuff, fixing that, and now he's fully clear brought in the front as well. Oh yeah, we also did black powder coated wheels. That's literally all we've done. Some paint work, the clear bra, and black wheels. This is a beautiful gray color, and I honestly think it works really well in the Roma. I'm not the biggest fan of the Roma, but it's growing on me. It is a very weird looking Ferrari, but everybody thinks it looks very futuristic. It looks more futuristic than anything in their line, really. The interior is really badass, actually. Steering wheel, as usual, from Ferrari, best in the industry. Digital dash, all that stuff. But yeah, you can see the front end, obviously gigantic. The engine's in the front of this Ferrari, obviously. And it is a twin turbo car as well, so it does feel very fast for what it is. But yeah, Let us know if you're a fan. I mean, the headlights look cool. I mean, look at these little holes on the front grille. That was a pain in the ass to Clear Bra, by the way. You had to cut out every single hole, Clear Bra that. Sergio hated us for doing that one, but he had to do it. The back end, honestly, really cool with those little taillights too. See, I wasn't lying. It came with a lot of alcohol. So there you have it. Ferrari Roma's done, cleaned up. Like I said, it's not always we do crazy modifications. We also do paint work. We do Clear Bras, wraps, little stuff, whatever you need. We get it done. So, gonna go do the podcast now.